Thank you, Miss Sandy. I'm
You're
gonna get
welcome.
your client out. Miss Sandy, can you give me, well, let me see if I can do anything. And Miss Sandy, can you make me a co-host, please? I'm sorry.
What happened? You dropped off. I had made you co-host.
I know you had made me co-host, but I accidentally clicked myself out. I apologize.
No worries, no worries.
Thank you. Let me see, Edward Yaster, get him out. Is Miss Maribel still on here? I don't see her. Okay. All right. Let me see. Mr. Yaster, come on out, join us. All right, Mr. Smith, you may have to go back into that room and tell him to come out.
Okay. Actually, he did text me, so I will text.
Yeah, just text him. Please text him and tell him to come back out, please.
Okay.
Mr. Smith, you ready? I'm going to call the other matter while we're waiting on Mr. Yaster to come out, okay? Oh, there he is. Okay, he's out. Miss Sandy, can you hear me okay? Oh, yes, I see her coming on now. Okay, all right. Now calling the matter of the people versus John Zaki. This is ticket number 212963951. This is one count of furnished alcohol to a minor. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, good morning. AJ Dowd on behalf of Mr. Zaki, P67716.
And your client is not present today in court. Do you have his permission to act on his behalf?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
All right. It's my understanding that your client needs an interpreter. Is that an Arabic interpreter, sir?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. So the court is going to get an Arabic interpreter for the next time. I'm going to adjourn this pre-trial so that we can make sure we have an Arabic interpreter in place for this. I do remember now. I apologize. It was supposed to be an interpreter here this day because was his son on with him last time, potentially? Was this the same case? Okay. I do apologize that there was not an interpreter for this place. We're going to adjourn it until April the 28th, 2022. Council does have a prior matter in person that day. I'm setting this for 9:30 a.m., but council has been instructed that if for some reason his morning matters do run a little bit long, to give the court a call and we'll extend courtesy to him. The bond will continue at $0 personal. I will make sure we have an Arabic interpreter for next time, okay? Thank you so much for your patience this morning, and you have a good day.
Thanks, Your Honor. You too. Bye.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. Mr. Yaster, I'm going to call your matter next, okay?
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Edward Yaster. This is U ticket 620-04321. This is one count of possession of narcotics. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
My name's Glenn Smith, appearing for the defendant, Your Honor.
All right. And sir, can you state your name for the record?
Edward Yester, Jr.
All right. This is the date and time set for a pre-trial in this matter. Oh no, this is set for I saw it too. Yes, it is a pre-trial set in this matter. How are we proceeding in this, Attorney Smith?
Thank you, Your Honor. Well, based on our discussions, we are going to accept the offer of the state on this to basically have a 3-month deferred sentencing.
Okay.
And I'm not sure if, I guess the court will let us know if we need to appear again in 90 days or if it just automatically falls off. So that's how we will be proceeding.
So you want to take advantage of that offer, sir?
Yes,
Okay, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes,
You can put your hand down. Sir, did you have an opportunity to talk to your attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
yes, I have.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No,
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
yes,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
yes,
And do you understand that by taking this plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? You understand that, sir?
yes,
Understanding all of these facts and rights, did you still want to move forward today?
yes,
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date of August the 23rd of 2021. Were you in the area of, it says 19326 Andover Street in the city of Detroit?
yes,
And while you were there, were you in possession of drugs at that location?
I was.
Satisfied, attorney?
Yes, I am. Yes.
And the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to 1 count of possession of drugs. So, sir, this is on a 3-month delay sentence. What that means is that I'm going to assess a fine today. You have 3 months to pay that fine. No new tickets of any sort of this nature, okay? No new
Okay.
drug tickets or anything like that. As long as you don't, it is going to be a review date back in this courtroom via Zoom. No new tickets, pay the fine. This is going to be dismissed.
Okay,
Okay.
sounds great.
All right. So it's going to be on July the 12th, 2022. Write that down. July 12th, 2022, 8:30 a.m. for a review. And as long as
Okay.
you have fulfilled those terms, then this matter will be dismissed that day. The fine
Great.
that I'm going to assess you today is $240. Okay.
Okay,
So $240 needs to be paid by that date and time.
before that,
Before
Okay.
that, right, you need to pay it before that hearing date. So have it paid before July the 12th.
I sent it to,
$240.
do I send it to 36 District Court?
So you
On
can either
Madison?
go online and pay it at 36districtcourt.org.
Okay,
That's 36th districtcourt.org. You can physically come down to the court if you would like. It's also open on the first floor, just you have to wear a mask. I don't know that you can mail it in. I'm not saying that you can't, but I will use one of those 2 options, okay?
I'll try it online.
Okay, yes, the
Okay.
36districtcourt.org, okay? So there'll be a lookup tab on the side, on the left-hand side. Push lookup, put your name and information in there, and it should pull up the ticket, okay?
Okay, okay.
All right.
Yeah, I still have the,
Yep, you have that, you have everything that you need, okay, sir?
yep. Okay, thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Good luck to you, and I'll see you back in July so that I can dismiss this matter on July 12th, okay?
Great, thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Have a good day, everybody.
You too, God bless.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right. Did y'all see where Miss Maribel went? I was gonna try and adjourn her matter. I know, Mr. You want me to get you off? Okay, there he is.
She
I
said
see.
leave, but I thought she meant go to the breakout room.
Me too.
Huh?
I'll wait for a moment and see if she comes back. If she doesn't, then I'll talk. I gotta tell her.
Because she said, I'm going to go. She said, I'm going to go. I'm going to go see that whatchamacallit.
I can't. Okay, let me figure it out then. I'll figure it out if she never returns. I'll give him a new date because I'll talk.
You get my text?
Oh, I didn't. You know, I try and focus for a moment when I'm doing this stuff. I can't. Listen, you were paying attention. For once in my life, I wasn't paying any attention. I was trying to figure out.
You didn't see me when you said it. I fell out laughing.
That's a good thing to laugh in the morning, okay?
Yes, thank you for that.
Anytime. I do my best. All right, I guess we can wait. I know that attorney wants to speak to Mr. Gillis when he gets in the courtroom. I know that I can see that. I see you, sir. So just hold tight.
Your Honor, the only, I'm in the 35th District Court. I might have to go in for an in-person hearing on 2 matters. If I do, I'll let your clerk know.
Thank you. I was going to say, just let the clerk know, and then you'll be able to do whatever you need to do. We won't stop that, obviously. Okay.
I appreciate that. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna put myself in. Yes.
Ms. Tucker in the courtroom with Ms. Williams.
Okay. All right. Give me 1 second.
And Ms. Cleveland did come and speak with Ms. Tucker.
Oh, she did?
Yes.
Excellent. Okay.
I passed it.
All right. Yes. Okay.
Can you see him, Your Honor?
I can hear and see you as well. Yes. Okay. Let me get her file. What's your name again, ma'am?
Natasha Williams Taylor.
Natasha Williams Taylor. Okay. All right, let me just look for you on my list. Okay. Yeah. All right. You ready, Miss Sandy? Okay, cool. Now calling the matter of the people versus Latasha Williams Taylor. This is Z ticket H080601. This was one count of operating while intoxicated. This is a probation violation. Hearing continued from last week. Appearances for the record, starting with the probation officer, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shantia Tucker on behalf of probation.
All right, and Miss Williams Taylor, can you state your name very loudly for me, please?
Natasha Williams Taylor.
All right. Miss Williams Taylor, this is the date that you were supposed to come in and decide if you were going to be a part of the drug treatment program. Are you going to be a part of that program?
Yes.
Okay. So at this time, the court is going to put you into the drug treatment program in lieu of probation. So you're not going to be doing both of these things, okay? You're going to be transferred to the drug treatment program. Remember that young woman that you spoke to last week about all of the information?
Yes.
You're now going to be reporting to her instead of to Ms. Tucker, okay?
Okay.
All right. Did you speak to her today already?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So she knows that you're accepting the program and she has all of your contact information, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Ms. Williams Taylor, we want you to do the best for yourself, okay? And I know that you may be entering this in a little reluctantly, but it's because we want to make sure that you have everything in place that you need to be successful, especially for yourself and for your children, right?
Yes.
And we want you to be the best that you can be. It's not just about addressing some issues that you may have with some substance abuse. It's about making sure that you have everything that you need to be successful as well. So they'll address everything, every concern that you need. They will help you to get those things. If you want employment, they help with that type of stuff, housing, all kinds of stuff. So this is going to be a benefit to you in the best way that it possibly can, but also to really address those issues. Because I don't want you to come back, and I don't want it to be worse either, where you go across the street, the Third Circuit or some other, higher court, and you'll have to deal with them, and then it will really be an issue. Okay. Okay. All right, Miss Mary, what else do I need to do on the record to make sure that she enters into drug court?
She will be placed on Judge Holmes' docket on the 18th.
Okay. All right. So you need to write that down. If not, we'll get you a sticky note so you can at least have that written down so that you can be able to go on that and deal with them. So you're not going to come back and see me anymore, okay? Unless you have a new contact. Okay.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you so much to both of you. Okay. Thank you for noticing, officer, and thank you for Ms. Williams Taylor for taking advantage of this opportunity. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. That concludes this hearing. Thank you. Have a good day. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I will. Thank you.
So you have some support, right?
Okay. Cool. All right. I saw Mr. Gillis just came in the courtroom. Mr. Gillis, good morning.
Morning, Your Honor. How are you doing today?
I'm wonderful, thank you. I do have an attorney after you do this stuff. Oh, Miss Sandy wants to say hi too.
Hey, Jack.
Good morning, Sandy. How are you?
Yes. Okay.
When you get a chance, I know you're doing some offers right now, work on those, but we also have someone who needs to talk to you. Now, he may have had to step away to go to court, but he wants to talk to you about a matter today. If you need more information, just let me know, because I have the ticket here at home, but I can give you additional information if need be, okay?
Okay, and what is that attorney's client's name?
It's Don Nielsen, and it's on Sam White. It's an OWI case, high BAC.
Okay.
The offer was operating while visibly impaired, but if you need some additional information, just let me.
Sounds good. Thank you.
He's gonna work on some offers right now, and then he's gonna jump online and then go to a breakout room with you, attorney. Okay, so you're
Okay.
good.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Oh, and actually,
So true that Regina texted me about one of them. Clyde Wilson is documents. But I don't know. Actually, that I was just gonna say that's right. Judge has some. Yep. You know what? I can just write it up based on the docket sheet.
Yeah, and then I'll send it over.
Okay.
Here you go.
Morning.
Good morning, Mr. Jones. Who do you represent?
I've got Eddie Wright this morning for an OWI pretrial.
Okay, what's the name again?
Eddie Wright, WRIGHT.
Okay.
Do you need me to give you the ticket number?
No, just the first name. What's the first name?
Edward? Or maybe Eddie.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, he's on the docket. He hasn't signed in yet.
Oh, huh. Oh, it's set at 10. Okay. Is there a city attorney for me to speak to?
I don't know if he's in the courtroom. The clerk.
Yes, he's here.
Oh, awesome.
I can sign on Zoom in just a moment.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is your P number 52920?
It is.
I gotta go relieve something. There's not on mute. Notify Agent Kevin that you are calling up.
Also, Mr. Wright just signed on.
I saw that. Thank you.
Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Gillis.
Morning, Mr. Donaldson. We can go in a breakout room here. Do you have the ability to join the breakout room? Do you have that function? Or do we need to be assigned?
I think we need to be assigned.
Okay.
You
Miss
both in
Sandy, do you think? Oh, there you go.
breakout room number 1.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Sandy.
Sure, Judge. I forgot you were there.
I gave you a break for 2 seconds.
Oh, okay.
Madam Clerk, we're going to just set this down for an evidentiary hearing.
Okay, you can let the judge know, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Your Honor.
Yes.
So I was going to speak to, or ask to speak to Mr. Jones here on Mr. Wright's matter, but before I do, I believe that's one of the files that you have with you. I was just wondering if you could relay the offer that was made.
Absolutely.
Thank you, John.
You're welcome.
Madam Clerk, is my case going to be called? I have a in-person hearing at Frank Murphy.
Judge was looking for you, attorney.
Okay, I'm sorry. I was on Zoom.
Oh, okay. Yes, she was trying to call your case earlier.
Okay.
Let me see if I have it. I don't look like I have his file. Let me see. Right. Hold on, let me
I
take
may
a
be
peek.
mistaken. I can check the courtroom.
No, it's okay. Let me see.
If it's no seatbelt, John, we'll consider it.
Let me see. I do have it. My bad. I apologize. The offer is operating while visibly impaired.
Okay, I'm gonna need a minute to talk to him about the judge. Can we have a brief adjournment?
Yeah, yes, I was about to say, did you want to talk to Mr. Gillis about this or no? You don't need to
No,
talk-
I need to thoroughly go through it with my guy, and I'd rather just not do it all in court.
Okay. Yes, I can give you. Well, I gave you, this is the pre-trial.
Oh.
You need another pre-trial? It's okay if you need another pre-trial.
Yeah,
but the next hearing you need to be ready.
Yeah, I'm starting a murder with some of your old crew members tomorrow morning, and I want to make sure Eddie fully understands this. Can we come back like either on the 26th or the week after that?
Okay, let me see what it's looking like. I don't want to join the room. Okay. All right. Okay, let me put some of these matters on the record.
Okay.
Mr. Williams, I'm going to start off with your matter first, okay?
Yes.
Lamar Williams, okay. Now calling, Miss Mary, I see her. I mean, Miss Sandy, sorry. Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Lamar Williams. This is ticket number 7311. I got you. 731111. One count of tinted windows. Also calling ticket number 731112. This is one count of reckless driving drag racing. Appearances for this is the date and time set for a pretrial as we were trying to get a jury trial date. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Carla Marable, P number 62755. Mr. Williams, can you please state your name for the record for this honorable court?
Lamar Williams.
All right. Mr. Williams, I just want to let you know that the court has given me 2 days for jury trials. Both of those days have now been taken. And so I'm going to have to set this matter for I guess you want to say another pretrial to see if I can get some additional days. The cases that are taking precedence at this point in time are some of the cases dealing with domestic violence in that unit. And so there is a backlog, obviously, in every single unit because we were not able to have jurors for a while. And yours is no limit, okay? So I'm going to have to adjourn this until July the 12th, 2022. If I get some new dates available in the interim, what I'll do is I'll make sure that I have one of the dates reserved for your case, Mr. Williams. And then on that next date, I'll be able to tell you what date it is that we'll be able to have a jury trial, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're not interested in a bench trial at all, sir?
No, we're not, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So
Thank
I
you.
will You're welcome. I'll put you down. Bond is continued at $0 personal. We'll do it July 12th, 2022. That's going to be at 8:30 a.m. for another pretrial. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. Have a good day. Oh, yeah. All right, Mr. Is he on there? Sam White? I'll call your matter next.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right. Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Sam White. This is Z ticket 808568. One count of operating with a high BAC. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Attorney Russ Donaldson, P number 53660, appear on behalf of Mr. Sam White. I recognize him on Zoom. Your Honor, we would agree to proceed with today's pretrial by Zoom technology, waive our right to an in-person hearing. We have the offer on the table is still going to stand. However, we're going to need a date for an evidentiary hearing, the basis constitutional stop issues. We have no problem proceeding with Zoom if that's the court's desire to expedite this for that particular hearing. So that's where we're at right now, Your Honor.
Okay. And Mr. White, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Sam White.
Okay. Mr. Attorney, is it Donaldson?
Donaldson.
Donaldson. Okay, I just want to make sure. I was calling you Don Nelson earlier, and I was like, it's probably Donaldson. Sir, do you want it in person or do you want it via Zoom?
My preference is always in person, Your Honor. I just think that I'm more effective that way. But if it's a matter of timing, then, if we can set it for an in-person hearing, that would be my preference.
Okay, I can set it for an in-person hearing. I believe I do have that power. So I'm going to, Miss Mary, can you look in the first, look in May, the week of May 16th? Do I have anything available? Not the 19th though.
We only can do the 16th through the 18th, so I have to look.
Okay, look, and if not, then go to that first, that week of the 31st of May.
Okay.
Okay, give me 1 second, okay? Let me see what
Thank you,
date.
Your Honor.
You're welcome. In the interim, while we're looking for a date, what you told me that Mr. White was doing some things about
Yes,
this.
Your Honor. Just by way of background information, I know he was already arraigned last time. I think it was in front of Your Honor. I don't recall specifically who, but we were about 3 months ago. My client's 30 years old, Your Honor. He's got strong family support. He has no prior arrests, no prior felonies, no prior misdemeanors, Your Honor. This purportedly occurred at a day of a Lions game after that. Actually, it's a game that the Lions actually won. He's already gone through and did a substance abuse evaluation with Counselor Raj Mehta. He's attended the Victims Impact Panel. So he's addressing some of the underlying issues that this court may have. He understands the importance of being in compliance with whatever this court dictates would be an appropriate bond condition, but because of the lack of priors and because of the presumption of innocence, Your Honor, I would just ask that he continue the bond. He's always appeared. He's no flight risk. He's no risk to society, Your Honor.
All
Does
right,
not do any kind of drugs or anything like that, and he's not on any prescription medications.
The one additional thing I do request, and I don't know if he's already doing it, is a AA meeting until he comes back for the next hearing, and I'll see where that's at, sir. It could be any 12 base. I heard there were some non-religious ones, but an AA or some 12-step program. Just attend those meetings once a week. It can be via virtually or in person. And then just be able to tell me something about it when you come back, and I can reevaluate. I can always reevaluate that at that point in time to find out if it's being helpful, or if not, the court will always listen to testimony. But until you come back for the evidentiary hearing, I want you to do that at least once a week for me. Okay, Mr. White?
Yes,
I'm going to leave
Your
your
Honor.
bond. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to leave your bond as is. Is it a personal bond?
I'm not sure if he posted a bond to get out initially or not, but when we're Mr. White, did you have to post any money to get out of the
No.
Detroit Detention Center?
No, I didn't.
All right. I'll set the rest of the remaining of the bond at $0 personal because he does have to have a bond in place with that condition. Miss Mary, did you find the date that worked?
Yes, Your Honor, the 31st, May 31st.
Okay. May 31st. We will do that in person. So I'm going to make sure I put it in person. Miss Mary, this is going to be in person. It's going to be the evidentiary hearing. I'm going to make sure that Attorney John Gillis is aware of that date and time as well, so that he can have them present in court, and we'll do an in-person hearing for you on this matter. Okay?
Your Honor, just from a logistics procedural standpoint, I'll be filing a written motion to aid the court in its assessment of the issues that I'm going to present to the court. I could just email your clerk judge's copy, or do I need to physically drop that up?
You can email the clerk a copy. Can you have it to her no later than May the 6th? So that will give the assistant prosecuting attorney May 13th the opportunity to respond. Okay.
Yes, I can do that,
And
Your Honor.
any rebuttal will be due that following Friday. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. So have that to my clerk via email address by no later than May the 6th, please.
Thank you. Are we free to leave, Your Honor? We discharged?
You are free to leave. That
Thank
concludes
you.
this hearing. Thank you both so much. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. I see you, Miss Triplet. I'm getting to you. Do you need to talk to? Okay. I just want to make sure you need to talk to Mr. Gillis, or you're all set on all your matters after I finish this. Okay. Excellent. All right. Attorney Jones, I'm going to call your matter.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Eddie Wright. This is Z ticket 808395. This is one count of operating while intoxicated. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning to you and your sweet staff. I'm Jonathan Jones. I represent Mr. Wright. Thank you so much for letting us do this remotely. We consent to the Zoom.
Thank you so much. Mr. Wright, can you state your name for the record?
Eddie Wright.
All right. This is the date and time. And I know I said pretrial, but I don't know that you've had a pretrial. I'm sorry, Attorney Jones. So
that's okay.
This is the date and time set. I'm going to arraign him on the information. I'm going to stand and mute and enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf.
Thank you. We'll waive a formal reading too, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you. It's my understanding that the offer has been extended to operating while visibly impaired. You would like some additional time just to be able to speak to your client about this information. See that you
Absolutely.
have a Okay, Mr. Wright, what that means is that he just wants to take a little bit of time to explain exactly what that means and the ramifications of what a potential plea on operating while visibly impaired would mean to you. He wants to be able to thoroughly explain that to you. So I'm going to do an adjournment so that he can have that opportunity to explain it to you clearly and fully. You understand that, Mr. Wright?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to, is a week enough time? You're going to be in trial.
Yeah, because I'm starting a trial. I was hoping we could do it on Tuesday, the 26th, at whatever time in the morning works for you.
Okay, let me see. Do I have time available on the 26th, Miss Mary? Mr. Wright, are you on any type of, do you have any type of conditions for your bond at this time?
I don't believe so.
Okay. You heard what I said about the previous person. Can you attend an AANA meeting? It mean a 12-step virtually or in person?
Yes.
Okay, I want you to do that. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal otherwise, okay? But I need you to do that meeting once a week for me, okay? Just to see. And if you report back that it's not helpful, then I'll reevaluate, but usually that's okay.
Okay.
Coming up on
Yes, April the 26th. Can you check the calendar and see how that date?
Little girl?
Yes.
Oh, you're gonna love it.
That's not a good day, Your Honor.
It's not a good day? Okay.
Do you have other options that week, Your Honor?
The only day I have is the 28th, or we might be able to push it out to that next week.
The 28th is great. I can make that happen.
Okay, I'm gonna have you come back on April the 28th, sir. Mr. Wright, that's via Zoom. So Zoom back in the same way you Zoomed in today. Only it's gonna be at 8:30 p.m., okay?
Okay.
Even better, Judge. Thank you.
All right,
All
you're
right.
welcome.
Stay
I'll-
safe. Have a wonderful holidays. I remind you, you look really good in
Okay.
black. You should wear it
Thank
all the time.
Appreciate
All right.
that.
All right.
Thank
I'm
you.
running to see Judge Edwards. Stay safe, Judge.
You too. All right, Mr. Wright, we'll see you back that day at 8:30. Okay, Zoom, the same way you zoomed in today, same Zoom number and everything, okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, mute the courtroom, please. We can hear y'all. All right. All right, what's the Z? Hello? Oh, he's trying to connect to audio. I'll wait before I bring everybody out because I want to see. All right. It looks like that person signed off. So I'm gonna close down the breakout rooms and bring everyone in. All right. If you're just now coming on to Zoom, please place yourself on mute until I call your matter. Okay.
Judge, I'm sorry, I need just a second.
Oh, absolutely. You let me know, Miss Triplett, when you're ready, okay? Absolutely. Everyone just be patient. Sometimes we have our attorneys in multiple courtrooms, but if you just wait patiently, I'll get every one of you done as soon as possible. So just be patient.
Okay, you just done.
I'm not saying anything, Miss Williams, okay? Right now, we're in silence. So, but I can hear you, so I'm going to go ahead and mute you until we're ready to have you speak, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Judge, just so you know, there was some things, I guess, in warrant status that didn't show on the docket for Jerwan Williams, so I need to speak to him again. So I don't know how you want to do it. Do you want me to talk to him, or we can go ahead and do everyone else?
Mr. Williams, Jawan Williams, like he's working on something.
Yes.
Mr. Williams, the attorney needs to talk to you briefly in a breakout room about your matter. I'm going to send you back in there with her. When you are asked to join, please join. Now, it may have you pop up and go back to your original breakout room. You can go there and I'll make sure she joins you, okay? All right, and Miss Tripoli, I will put you in that room with him. Uh-uh. 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 No, I can't get it.
Okay, Judge, sorry about that. We're ready.
You're good. Let me get him out the breakout room. All right. Miss Sandy, you ready?
Yes, I am.
All right. If you're moving or anything like that, please just freeze for a moment. Keep yourself on mute until I call your case, okay? Put you on mute. Okay, all right. Mr. Clyde Wilson. Clyde Wilson.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Clyde Wilson. This is ticket number 734980. Count 1, unregistered motor vehicle. Also calling case number 734981. 1 count failed to produce evidence of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court. P number 69160, Regina Triplett on behalf of Mr. Wilson. Mr. Wilson, state your name for the record, please.
Clyde Wilson II.
Your Honor, there is a recommendation for dismissal.
All right, at this time, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice for having proper valid documentation. Mr. Wilson, make sure you always have all of your documents up to date and with you in the vehicle, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Adante Walker.
Yes.
All right, I'm going to call your matter next. All right, these are the matters of the people versus Adante Walker. This is case number SP 11974331. 1 count expired plates. Also calling case number SP 11974401. 1 count no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett, P number 69160 on behalf of Mr. Adante Walker. Mr. Walker, state your name, please.
Adante Walker.
Your Honor, there's a recommendation for dismissal. We're asking the court to adopt it.
At this time, the court is going to adopt the recommendation and dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, make sure that you always have your valid documentation as well, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will. Mr. Walter Walker, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Walter Walker Jr. This ticket number P11974464. 1 count of unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett, P number 69160 on behalf of Mr. Walter Walker. Mr. Walker, state your name for the record.
Walter Walker.
Your Honor, there's a recommendation for dismissal. We're asking the court to adopt it.
All right. I am in receipt of the dismissal of this particular matter, so the court is going to grant it. And this is being dismissed because you paid that civil infraction, sir. But I need you to make sure that you get everything in order, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, that concludes this matter.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Ms. Brittany Walker.
Yes.
I'll call your matter now. Matters. Now calling the matters of the people versus Brittany Walker. This is ticket number 341083. Count 1, drove while license not valid. Ticket number 474930. 1 count, drove while license not valid. Ticket number P844289. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number P770829. 1 count, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court. Regina Triplett, P number 69160 on behalf of Ms. Brittany Walker. Ms. Walker, please state your name for the record.
Brittany Walker.
Your Honor, the people are asking, she had a lot of documents today. She did take the road test on yesterday and passed. They're gonna mail out her license to her. However, the people are asking that she return with the license and that they will consider a different offer at the time.
Okay, all right. I can do that for you, ma'am. Our pre-trial dates are a little ways away, so just so you know, Ms. Walker, okay? All right, our pre-trial dates are August the 8th of 2022. You should have everything in order by that point in time, Ms. Walker. Am I correct?
Yes, I can really go on. I could have went online and got the paper license today while I was waiting on you all to join court.
I don't know if that's going to be acceptable. I would have to ask the prosecutor to see if that will be acceptable for a new offer.
Okay.
I can try and give you a sooner date though than that. What does 5/5 look like, Miss Mary? Okay. I'm calling her name a lot today.
We can do it, Your Honor. That's a good day.
Okay. How about May 5th, okay? Then that way you should have everything by that point in time, okay? Am I freezing?
No,
I'm
you're
not
not.
freezing. Oh, okay.
Ms. Walker had a freeze. She had a freeze.
Oh, okay. All right, May
Yes.
5th, 8:30 a.m., okay? Have everything ready so that they can give you a new offer on that date and time, okay?
Insurance
Right.
as well, Ms. Walker.
Okay, that gives her a little bit of time.
Okay.
To do all. Okay, I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, same Zoom number, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a good
Just
day.
so you know, there was a bond that was posted on her case.
Okay. All right, so
I
we're gonna
think
leave
she
the bond
posted-
as is.
Yeah, 1350, I think is what she posted.
We'll leave the bond as is for right now. That's why it's critical that you do all this, Ms. Walker, so that you will be able to, so we'll see what we'll be able to do in that time. You may be able to get most of your bond money back, okay?
Okay.
There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Little kid telling me bye. I know that's right. He says we're all set, ma'am. Mr. Walker, you came back. Did you need something?
Yes, yes, I misunderstood because I had my headphones in. The last part you said, did I have to like pay any like portion of it?
No, Mr. Walker, unless you have some Secretary of State matters that you need to make payments on so that you can, from the 36th District Court, and you'll know that if you try and apply for your license, they'll tell you it's a $45 fee. If not, you're all set for today because you already paid civil infraction, okay?
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. All right, have a good day.
All right, you too.
I will. All right, Miss Valerie Williams.
Your Honor, is there an Officer Spidell here on the matter? She's scheduled for formal hearing on her civil infractions and trial on the misdemeanor.
There is not.
Okay.
Miss Williams? Miss Valerie Williams.
Okay. Hello, I had it on mute. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Can you activate your camera for me?
Yes, let me sit at the table. Come in here. Okay, what I supposed to push now? This?
A video. I'm going to ask you to activate your video camera. Let me see. I can ask to start video. Did you see that?
What? Move, boy. Here you go. Right here.
Yes, ma'am. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Valerie Williams. This is ticket number P11055531. Count 1, accident, driver failed to use due care or caution. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Also calling ticket number P11055532. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplet, P number 69160, on behalf of Ms. Valerie Williams. Ms. Williams, state your name for the record, please.
Valerie Williams.
Your Honor,
All right.
today is a day and time scheduled for a trial for the misdemeanor that's before the court, and there are 2 civil infractions. Officer Spidell has not checked in. The time is 10:48 a.m. At this time, the defense is asking for a dismissal, Your Honor.
All right, the time is now 10:49 a.m. This matter was set for 9 a.m. No officer, to my knowledge, has checked in. And so at this time, the court is going to dismiss this without prejudice. What that means, Ms. Williams, is that they can refile it if they would like to, but as of today, you're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you all so much.
You're very welcome. All right, if there's nothing further, this concludes this hearing. Have a good day.
All right, thank you. You guys too. Thank you.
All right.
Turn this off?
Yes, you can. You can go ahead and sign out, ma'am. Do you see
Okay.
leave the meeting?
Okay.
If not, I can sign you out. You want me to sign you out, ma'am?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Of course. Have a good day.
You too. You guys too.
All right. Mr. Douglas Williams? Can you hear me okay?
Hear me fine?
I can hear you now. Okay. I don't have a phone. Now calling the matter of the people versus Douglas Williams. Let me see if I This is case number X3933083, 1 count reckless driving. Also calling ticket number, all right. I believe that's the only one on the record for today. Appearances for the record, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett on behalf of Douglas Williams. Mr. Williams, please state your name for the record. State your name for the record, Mr. Williams.
Douglas Williams.
And Attorney Triplett, I do realize that I have the other 2 matters on the docket as well. I want to call those. Those are case number SP1163073. Count 1 is roadway divided into 2 or more marked lane hovers. And then we have count 2, violation of the basic speed law, drove while unsafe. Those are on the docket for today as well. Those were a part of it. Appearances have already been placed on the record. How are we proceeding today?
Your Honor, Mr. Williams is asking for a bench trial.
Is that right,
correct,
Mr.
Mr. Williams?
Yes.
If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Williams, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Okay, and she's informing me that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to proceed?
Did you hear me? Yes.
Okay, yes, okay. I'm gonna set this for a bench trial on the date of September the 8th, 2022. It's gonna be via Zoom. So the same number you zoomed in today, you're gonna use on that date and time. It's gonna be at 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. And so if there's nothing further, I'll see you back via Zoom on September the 8th, 9 a.m., okay? All right, thank you. That concludes this hearing. Bond is set at $0 personal. All right. And last but not least, the one who is working while he's on Zoom. All right. You can unmute yourself, sir.
Okay, yep, I'm sorry.
Okay, you want to find a spot, yeah. All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Jerron Williams.
One, yes.
This is ticket number P996850. One count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number P1004215. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1196907. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled motor vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1076958. Count 1, drive while license suspended, repeat offender. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, improper plates. Ticket number P116906. Count 1, improper left turn. Count 2, failed to use seatbelt assembly system. Count 3, expired plates. More tickets. Also, ticket number 448675. Who fell off?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. He fell off, Mr. Triplett. I know. I heard a ding noise. So. Can you hear us, Mr. Williams?
Hello?
Hello, can you hear us?
Yes.
Okay. Let me go back to reading it. Sorry again. Ticket number P1196906. Count 1, improper left turn. Count 2, failed to use seatbelt assembly system. Count 3, expired plates. Ticket number 448675. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, no insurance. Count 3, drove unregistered vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett, P number 69160, on behalf of Mr. Jerwan Williams. Mr. Williams, please state your name for the record.
Juwan Williams.
Your Honor, today is the day and time scheduled for a pretrial. The people have made an offer and Mr. Williams wishes to avail himself of it.
All right, is that right, Mr. Williams?
Yes.
All right, there are 3 state tickets additionally in this matter that I'll include in this offer to be dismissed because you're pleading to 3 counts on the other tickets, okay?
Okay.
All right. If you want to take advantage of this offer, please raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Williams, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your right?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you'll give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes.
Okay. Find these tickets. Okay. All right. Sir, I want to take your attention first back to the date of March the 31st of 2020. Were you driving at that time a Mercedes in the area of Evergreen in West Chicago in the city of Detroit?
I believe so.
Okay. And while you're driving that vehicle, did it have improper plates on it at the time?
Yes.
Okay. And then reading from the ticket that on May 6, 2021, in the area of West McNichols and West Auto Drive, Mr. Williams was driving a BMW at the time and failed to use his seatbelt assembly system correctly. And then I have one more ticket. Sir, I want to take your attention back to the date of January the 25th of 2019. Were you in the area of 7 Mile and Robeson Streets in the city of Detroit driving a BMW?
Yes.
And at the time, was that vehicle unregistered with the Secretary of State's office?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Triplett?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And is there stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, so stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter in a plea, 1 count, no registration on ticket 19448-675, count 3. Improper plates on count number 3 of ticket P1076958. 1 plea of responsible on ticket P1196906. The remaining tickets will be dismissed on your behalf, sir. So that's ticket P1004215, count 3, P1196906, counts 1 and 3, ticket number 19448-675, counts 1 and 2, ticket P1076958, counts 1 and 2, ticket P1196907, counts 1, 2, and 3, ticket P1004215, counts 1 and 2, and ticket P996850. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, did you post any type of bond for these?
Not that I know of.
Okay, I just want to check. So on the seatbelt ticket, that's a civil infraction. Those are due 14 days from the date that you plead. That's $65. Will you be able to pay that in 14 days, sir?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna have that one due no later than April the 26th of 2022. On the remaining 2 tickets, I'm going to charge you a fine in the amount of $200 per ticket. How long would that take you to pay that?
About 2-3 weeks. Yeah.
I'll give you longer than that. It won't be.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's perfect. I'm about to say, man.
When you don't come back, you think all the matters go away? They do not. Are you trying to get your license in order though?
Okay, yeah.
You are? Do you have Miss Mary, does he have reinstatement fees on a lot of these tickets?
I got other tickets in other places too, so it's a lot I gotta go through.
You got a lot of other places to go to?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'll be nice. How about I do $200 and I make it due in a month though?
Okay.
Okay, so it's gonna be due no later than May 12th for the $200, but that $65 is due in 2 weeks. Okay.
Okay. And I'll just pay it online, or
yep, you can go to 36districtcourt.org, okay, and pay that fine.
I'll just look up my name, or
yep, look at your name. It's gonna ask you to put in your address too, I believe. Okay, put in your name and your address and be able to pay these 2 tickets. You said you got lots of tickets every other place too.
Yeah.
You started with Detroit though. I appreciate that. So I'm going to show some empathy for you since you started with Detroit, okay?
Okay, thank you.
I'm gonna waive the cost and fines on one of your ticket, but you do have to pay $200 on the other ticket and pay the $65 seatbelt violation, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, and if you have any reinstatement fees, and those can be a lot. I don't know if you have any, but it'll be able to tell you they're $45 a piece. If you have any, you need to pay those in order to get clearance from the city. So it'll pull up everything that you need. Give us a day or 2 though, to be able to get those in the system. And then you can pull up and see everything that you need to do, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Have a good day.
You too.
I will. Bye-bye. All right.